A hidden signal emerges on Bitcoin. Pay close attention. You might absolutely love what I'm about to share. Are you returning? Welcome back. Are you new here? Do you want to have less stress and more success? You absolutely want that. Hit the subscribe button right now. Less stress, more success. Turn on the bell. Hit the thumbs up button. Less stress, more success. Did you hit that subscribe button? I'm talking to you. Hit that button right now. We're jumping straight into this stock to flow model. Shout out to Plan B. Now, a lot of people have looked at the top of the stock to flow model. A lot of people have pinpointed that we're far away from the stock to flow model now. What people are not paying attention to is the bottom of this stock to flow model. This is the divergence indicator of the stock to flow. And that's what we're going to be diving into today, because when we head down into these deep down green territories here, something phenomenal has happened each and every time. Now, I do want to say that our website crashed recently. Everyone was jumping. Thousands and thousands of people scooped up their free Death Cross, Golden Cross indicator. We gave it away for free to our community as a special thanks. If you're one of the few that don't have it in your inbox and you believe you should have, look at your spam. It will certainly be there. And then if you don't have it, then you can email me. We'll get you straightened out right away. If somehow you haven't gotten that indicator yet that gets trade alerts to your phone and your email on major market moves, go get that right now. Right now. CryptoCrewUniversity.com, and you're going to click right here and you'll have it at your fingertips in 3 seconds. Click here, CryptoCrewUniversity.com, get that free indicator. Now, back to the stock to flow. So a few things happening here on the stock to flow model. So this is days until the next halving. You can see the color spectrum here. That's how you get the colors which represent our price action. Okay. The actual stock to flow is this line here. Now I will start with one myth about the stock to flow model. A lot of people say, hey, the stock to flow model, this one in particular, is saying 87,000. Okay, so Plan B has some that say 288,000, for example. And a lot of people say, oh, Plan B is calling for a top of 288,000. No. The 288,000 is an average. It's an average, meaning that we're going to go way above 288 in his opinion and way below 288 during the bear market and have an average price of 288. I think that's the major miscommunication, number one, that people have with the stock to flow model. So this in particular is saying 88,000. That's an average. So when you go back and when you look at this one, which said 5,400, that's an average. So that was predicting that we were going to go way above 5,000 and way below 5,000 and have an average price of 5,000. Okay, so now that we got that cleared up, let's talk about the good stuff. Okay, so we are far away from the stock to flow as we speak. But here's where a hidden gem of an alert could be. So if you go down to the bottom here, we have what's called the divergence, right? It's basically, in simple terms, it basically is talking about how far away from the stock to flow we are or how far above we are. When we're above, we're in red. How far above is how far above in red we are, right? So if the price is really far above the stock to flow, it's higher in red. If it's really far away from the stock to flow down, then it's really far down in green. It's really simple, okay? But nobody pays attention here, which is why you subscribe to our channel, because we're always showing you a different angle with things that are not often talked about. So why is that important? Well, we're in green, okay? But we're not just at any particular level in green. We're at a very critical level of structure for the green level. And here's what I'll show you. So if you dig your eyes down to the bottom of this chart here, right? And you'll see that where we're at right now is at about 0.8. Okay. So why is that important? Well, in trading, you always want to look for key structure and what happens at that key structure when you look left. So for example, 0.8, we ask ourselves, okay, is this key structure. Let's look left. What happened last time we were at key structure? Well, before, down over here, we were at basically a 0.8, right? And that's when we were pretty far away from the stock to flow, and that's when we had a large run. Okay, how about the previous time? Let's continue to look left. How about 0.8 right over here? Okay, 0.8 down over here, we were far away from the stock to flow. We were at our critical market structure of 0.8, and then what did we do? We didn't continue to be far away. We went on a large run. Okay, how about we continue to look left again, and just over here, we were also at about a 0.8, meaning we were far away from the stock to flow. The market was very bearish, and then we continued to have a very large run. So you can see a pattern repeating here time and time again. Again, a 0.8 all the way back here in July 2012. Now, keep in mind that the stock to flow was not created in 2012. It wasn't created in 2013. It wasn't even created in 2017. It was created in 2019. So it doesn't have a lot of years under its belt to be accurate. Okay, it's still fairly new, still working out the kinks. That's why there's multiple versions of it. But we can just look at the facts in the chart. Anytime we were at that critical market structure prior, we went on a large run. It could be a hidden gem that, hey, everyone's getting pretty bearish. There's a lot of blood in the streets. There's fear, there's panic, there's pandemonium. And it's not just us saying there's fear. These are actual factual evidence, right? The fear and greed index is in fear. And we were in extreme fear last week. In fact, we were in extreme fear yesterday. Okay, so these are not Steve's opinion. Everything we talk about on this channel are the facts. Okay, that's why you subscribe. That's why you love what we do. So this could be one of these hidden signals where people are saying, hey, we're really far away from this thing. This thing is done. This thing is over. But when we look at the factual evidence of the structure, it could be a hidden signal that we're about to have a very large move that surprises most people. Okay, now we'll get to Steve's secrets to success here in a moment, and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell, less stress, more success. Let's get to, by the way, we just hit 200,000 subscribers. So thank you to everybody for your continued support over the years. And if you're really new, I love having you here. Now, Steve's secrets to success, we'll talk about affirmations. So in one of our previous videos, we talked about really manifesting, but affirmations is the activity to really start to manifest. Affirmations is something that can take you to the next level in your life, your personal life, maybe even in your relationship with your husband or wife or your kids or whatever's happening at work, or you want to get that promotion, whatever you want. Affirmations is to say something out loud as if it's already happened. This is something I've learned in my life over the past 10 years, and it's just completely changed my life. And every successful person that I studied over the past 20 years swears by this. That's why I really started focusing on it the past 10 years. And I want you to focus on it now, today. Start it today. There's no better time to start than right now. So what you can do is pick one thing you want to accomplish in your life. Maybe it's financial freedom, maybe to better take care of your family, maybe to be a better husband or wife. Whatever it is, say it out loud every day as if it's already happened. So if it's financial freedom, you say, I am financially free. That may seem weird to you. I want you to do it in the mirror as well. It may seem uncomfortable, but it's one thing that will separate you from everyone else. If you want to achieve the same results as everyone else, just do everything that they're doing. There's not many people in the world that are doing affirmations. It's probably the most, the 20% of people in the world that are more successful than the other 80 who are doing everything. They're all following the herd. Don't be in the herd. You're not in the herd. You're no longer in the herd. Don't do herd things, right? The herd is not doing affirmations. That's a damn fact. So you're going to start doing affirmations. It'll change your life. Let me know in the comments down below if you are inspired by this message, and we'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.